Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope the information which I am giving is useful to you, right? So, today we are going to see one more topic. It is, most of the people will give a simple reason that it is a hereditary, it is genetic. You know, I'm doing a lot of things. I'm walking, I'm going for walk, I'm doing exercises, I'm maintaining diet. Everything will tell. But what is that? It's about a genetic obesity. So today the topic is about genetic obesity. In this genetic obesity, we will be seeing lot of people will give lot and lot of reasons, right? So what are those reasons? It's an hereditary. My body seems to be like the same way. My mother, my father, my grandfather, they'll give lot of reasons. Okay, just not to discuss too much of those reasons. We'll see how can this genetic obesity can be can be eradicated. Yeah, let's see how it will be eradicated. Researchers have given a lot and lot of things for our genetic obesity. In those things, mostly you will be watching. I mean, you can actually uh, take these as an examples, and you can start in your daily life. Those are nothing but jogging. That is the first and main thing. Mountain climbing, walking, and some dancing, and also long practice of yoga. Yeah, you heard it right. A long practice of yoga makes a lot of difference here. Yeah. So, when coming to the genetic obesity, I'll just give you a scientific thing. How it actually, it became scientific. Uh, See, in these generations, people are not maintaining their physical activity too much because of more and more of televisions, more and more of OTTs, more and more of mobiles and everything. The smartphones, the digital world is making us lot and lot of lazy, right? So to to in these generations when we are going in this same structure, how will our character of the cell develop? Did you ever think it? Will you again pass these lazy cells into our next generation? Is it so we have to do? So what are the things we have to overcome it? Huh? Can what are the things we can overcome from here? How can we eradicate this genetic obesity? Yeah, we have discussed like mountain climbing and each and everything, but the scientific reason is, see, when we were telling it was a genetic, there is a chance of eradicating it. Now we have come to know from long and long and longer from metabolism rate due to some health problems, due to some things and all, maybe our parents did not have a complete physical activity sometimes. And they have done all the work by themselves, but a little physical activity is missing from them. So that genes were carried to us. So here we can give a stop, and you know what? We can actually eradicate this genetic obesity. We can give a live character to those cells which are present in our body, and by with the help of those cells, our future generations also will not have this obesity. Now, let's see what are the things we can do other than walking, exercising, everything. We have also known some of the things, popular activities which will predeposition of genetic obesity, and that doesn't have effect at all. So those are cycling, stretching exercises, swimming, dance, and so on, some of the things. And if you are actually a sports lover, you can go for weight training, badminton, table tennis, basketball, and the martial arts is one of the famous one now. People are concentrating in it. It's no, it doesn't depend on age when you want to learn the sport. If you are interested, go start play any activity that gives you lot of happiness, and also lot of sweating a lot, and you'll enjoy the game. You'll enjoy the game really. Okay, now let's see some of the treatments. How to treat it other than exercising and everything. There are a little ways. One is a physical activity, you know that, the above things which we have discussed, and the other one is a dietary changes. What are these dietary changes? When we know that we have a genetic things in our body, what is the thing we have to do? We have to avoid all the fat food, junk food. This is one of the main things. And you have to maintain your diet as long as you can. So this will really help you. How to maintain the diet? What are the dietary changes which we have to apply in our every day-to-day life? It's about the first thing comes is your breakfast. You know, the breakfast really plays a very important role in your diet. So what changes can I go for? Okay, I'll give you one of the examples. See, like we eat like idli, dosa, the puri and all with oils or less oils, everything. You'll have a habit of eating everything. But have you recognized these, Karina Kapoor, no, these actress, you know, the most famous actress, what the food they eat. It's not about actor or actress, both of them. So every day, the morning when they wake up, they'll have idli. Instead of eating four idli, five idli, they'll be having two idli. With that, they will replace a glass of juice. They'll replace a glass of juice. And also, they'll try to have a complete structure of food with juice, a small amount of fruits or vegetables. It may be raw, it may be cooked, it may be sorted, and the protein like idli, dosa, little carbs in it. Why don't we do that? We can also do it. We should start maintaining this. See, if you really don't have time of all those things, the best thing is like take a wellness nutri-shake. Whatever it is, you want to go for a chocolate, you want to go for vanilla, you want to go for mango, you want to go for strawberry, whatever it is available, just take that. This really helps you. This is a kind of a taste part which when you start taking it every day, when you stop it, you'll have an urge of feeling that you are missing something. And also see that when you start taking this nutri shake every day, see the change within your body, that you'll be very active. The whole day you'll be very active. And also it is one of the cost cutting, and also it is one of the calorie cutting, and also it is uh you know an instant immunity gain. So try to take this after your exercise, or else in the time of your exercise, in whichever way it is possible, try to take it and try to maintain the healthy lifestyles which we are discussing in each and every session. One more thing I actually want to add. So we were thinking, I'll give you one of the examples. Not only the superstars like, Karina Kapoor or someone can eradicate genetic obesity. You have seen the fathers, right? How are they and how is she? And that is an influencer, Karina Kapoor, the actor. The one more example I'm going to give you, that is Miss Sapna, and she has a genetic obesity in her family, but she eradicated it by maintaining the healthy lifestyle, by maintaining the good food habits and all. So take her an example, and when Karina Kapoor changed, why don't we? Let's start, take a dietary action within us. I hope you like this video. Thank you.